Although the most demandable Roborock S7 is already one of the best robot vacuum cleaners with smart mopping function and exclusive cleaning technology, the brand has just launched several upgrades of the S7 lineup, including the MaxV Ultra in the beginning of the year. Both of these siblings have tons of similarities, which can easily confuse anyone when they are about to buy a robot vacuum cleaner for their home or office. To make the decision more easier, we will share a side-by-side feature comparison between the Roborock S7 Plus and S7 MaxV Ultra. So, sit back, relax, and stick with it till the end. First things first, let's start with the design. Both look very identical like twin siblings, except for a few minor changes. They have the same dimension with a height of 9.65 cm and a width of 35 cm. The S7 comes in two color options, including glossy black and shiny white, while the S7 MaxV is available in black color only. At the top, both have a LiDAR scanner, and in front of it, there are 3 buttons and an LED light indicator. This indicator gives you a current status of the robot, such as when it's charging or returning to the dock, the light turns green, and while cleaning, it will be pure white. But the similarities end here. We're predicting the S7 MaxV will be bulkier than the S7 and also houses a front camera at the front for better navigation. Talking about the navigation, both of these cleaning companies utilize a bevy of sensors to track location and draw maps inside your house. The LiDAR sensor works extremely well to avoid obstacles during cleaning, even in dark rooms. Not only that, the MaxV has an RGB camera and a 3D structured light for better scanning obstacles. And in this case, the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra performs better as it can recognize objects independently and avoid them without pushing forward. Coming to the cleaning performance, which you have been waiting for. Sadly, the S7 Plus has 2,500 Pascal suction power, and the ultimate S7 MaxV Ultra have 5,100 Pascal powerful suction. That will surely deep clean your carpets and wipe out stubborn messes without leaving anything behind. If we try to dig out a little bit more, the S7 MaxV Ultra slightly does the cleaning better, as it has an updated floating brush and housing system than the S7 Plus. It allows for multiple levels of movement while cleaning, and as a result, its brush and housing will create a better seal with the surface. Done with cleaning, now let's talk about the mopping. Until MaxV Ultra, S7 Plus offers better mopping, but our superstar MaxV Ultra has implemented more than better mopping construction. Its dock can automatically clean the mop when the robot returns to the dock for dumping dust or power up itself. Even, its dedicated water reservoir for both clean and wastewater makes the mopping technically more hygienic. However, both of these robots can automatically lift up the mop to vacuum when they sense a carpet to avoid dampening it. Focusing on the auto-empty dock, well, it is something that can change your mood if you're about to buy the S7 Plus. Because the S7 MaxV Ultra comes with a huge mess collecting bin and has separate compartments for water and dust. Though they both can dump all the mess into the dock while cleaning is done, but with the auto mop cleaning feature, MaxV Ultra can clean the mop without your presence, making sure less visiting the dock station to clean the mop. Moving on to the mobile control, both robots share the same Roborock smartphone app that's available for iOS and Android as well. And with a bevy of settings and features, you will get full control over your robot and can be controlled remotely from anywhere. S7 MaxV Ultra, on the contrary, has some exciting features such as obstacle detection and voice control. Even more, using your Amazon Alexa or Siri shortcut, you can also control your MaxV Ultra while enjoying the comfort of the couch. Plus, this Ultra can act as a surveillance camera to stop home pillow fights. As for the battery life, the Roborock S7 and S7 MaxV Ultra feature a large 5200 mAh lithium-ion battery with a runtime of 180 minutes. Both have a maximum cleaning area up to 300 meters square and a maximum charging time of 180 minutes. Win-win for all. After the side-by-side feature comparison between the Roborock S7 Plus and S7 MaxV Ultra, we can definitely say that both these robots are excellent household companions that can clean your house reliably and satisfactorily. But which model is better for you? It actually depends on what features you would like to add to your smart home. If you live in a chaotic place with children and pets, the S7 MaxV is an ideal candidate for you with a better navigation system. However, if you want a smart robot vacuum that gets the cleaning task done decently, then you're better served with the greatest Roborock S7 Plus. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.